Are you ready to see this amazing transformation? Stay tuned. So Sharon has been an NBR client of mine for a while, and we are starting her new installed appointment by removing her old rows. And it's super easy. You just snip these little strings and then we just start opening the little beads. They're super soft aluminum, so you just gently open them and then they pop right off. So that's one of the things I love most about this, is that it's easy to remove. For her color, we want to, still stay super natural. She is pure white, and we've tried keeping her really white and maybe just toned, but her longevity for color, especially with extensions, works better if we can kind of control and manage her natural color as well as the extension color. So we did low maintenance color, super easy, and it'll just grow out without a sharp line of demarcation. And now the best part, the scrub-a-dub-dub. And then what we do is a really nice head massage, especially when you've had your rows in for 6 or 8 weeks. We really want you to feel amazing. So we make sure everything is just so soothing and relaxing. Then we get started with her beadwork. It's super simple. We make sure that sectioning is perfect for each client. Everyone has different needs, different densities, different lengths, and it's just really important that it's customized. So now we're clipping in her bottom row of extensions and just making sure placement and pattern is perfect. And I love this part because this is where she gets to see for real, okay, what is it going to feel like when I have this hair in? I love it. So we've done the second row, and now I'm just stitching in that main row. She has 2 full rows of NBR extensions, and I'm using, I think this is Strands of Humanity hair that I've customized with some toner. I did not have to root it, and it blended really, really well with her root smudge that we did on her natural hair. So it's amazing. Look at that blend. I mean, are you kidding me? So the next thing, I love doing the blending cut. It's super important that we have a seamless blend between the extensions and the natural hair, and it's just a vital step that you cannot skip. Curling, oh my gosh, I love this hair, and I love how when you curl, you can really bring out the nuances in the color. Her root smudge is beautiful, and like I said, that was a demi-permanent. I think we used a 10 volume, maybe with a color gels, I'm not sure, but that way it doesn't create a sharp line of demarcation, and it'll just grow out really seamlessly, and it just blends beautifully, but also creates that little extra needed depth at her base so that everything looks like it really has grown right from her head. It's perfect. And then I'm using just a soft round brush for her brush out because I didn't want like super curled hair, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Like and subscribe if you want to see more transformations, and if you're interested in appointments, tap the link in my bio.